Finally, I got the new 2023 debit card. Check this out. Sup you phonies, and how's it going? Welcome to another video, and that was pretty cool, right? So we just had this little joke. We were playing soccer and someone's car got stolen, and this other guy said, your debit card got stolen? I was like, no, my car. Oh, your debit card. That's how this joke was. It wasn't very funny. Maybe it is now, maybe not. Doesn't really matter, but I figured, why don't I make a debit card for my boys? And I did, and that's what it is. But while I was making my little debit card, I was thinking you could be like so creative with it, and why don't I make a community project out of it? And I always wanted to make a community project, and I think now is the time. My subscribers are growing, so we have a lot of new people on this channel, which gets me super excited, and now it's up to you guys. I'm going to provide a link in the first link in the description where you can download my debit card. And all you have to do is download it and use this debit card as the template and make whatever you want with it. Just two exceptions. You can't remove the debit card and the background has to stay there. Other than that, just remove the tires, do whatever you want with it, and be creative as you want. And to make it a little more flavorful to you, it's also going to be a giveaway. Yes, the coolest, most creative, most crazy, the most impressive Blender scene I'm going to get from you guys is going to win a prize, a little prize money. And how much it is, it really depends on how many likes this video gets. So if this video gets 20 likes, it's $20 for you. If this video gets 2,000 likes, it's $2,000 for you. So you're gonna have exactly 1 month to make something. And once you finish your scene, just send me a Dropbox link or WeTransfer, whatever is easiest for you, to infancinema@gmail.com. And if you upload it on TikTok or Instagram or X, wherever, then use the hashtag DebitCar. Then the entire community can look at your work. So again, 2 requirements. First, you have to use my scene as a template. And the second one, you have to like the video. And third one, you don't have to subscribe, but you know, I would prefer it, but you don't have to. So 2 requirements. Use the Blender scene as a template and like the video, and let's go. Share this with your other VFX friends, anyone who would be willing to make something like that. In exactly 1 month, I'm going to present all of those to you and announce the winner. I don't know about you guys, but I'm very excited about that. So go crush it and see you in the next video. Doo-doo-doo.